Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student funding with Mpower. Mpower is a leading provider of educational loans for international and DACA students studying in the U.S. The first step to applying for student funding with Mpower is to research and gather all the necessary information. Visit Mpower's official website and navigate to their student loans section. Take note of the eligibility criteria, loan terms, interest rates, and repayment options offered by Mpower. Once you have gathered all the information, proceed to the online application process. On Mpower's website, click on the Apply Now button to start your application. Fill in your personal details, contact information, educational background, and financial information accurately. It is important to note that Mpower requires a cosigner for their student loans. A cosigner is typically a parent, guardian, or another creditworthy individual who agrees to be responsible for loan repayment if the student is unable to make payments. Make sure to have a discussion with your potential cosigner before proceeding with the application. Before submitting your application, gather all the required documents. These may include proof of identity, proof of enrollment, bank statements, and income documents, yours and your cosigner's. Ensure that all the documents are up to date and meet Mpower's requirements. Once you have completed the application, take some time to review all the information you have provided. Double-check for any errors or missing details. Once you are satisfied, submit your application and keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. After submitting your application, Mpower's team will review it and may request additional documents if necessary. Stay in touch with Mpower's customer support team and promptly provide any further requested information. It is important to maintain good communication throughout the application process. If your application meets Mpower's criteria and all the necessary documents are submitted, they will evaluate your eligibility for a loan. Mpower's team will notify you of their decision via email or phone. If approved, they will provide you with details of the loan amount, interest rates, and repayment terms. If you agree to the loan terms, you will need to sign the loan agreement and any other required documents. Once all the paperwork is complete, Mpower will disburse the funds directly to your educational institution. You can then use the funds to pay for tuition fees, living expenses, or other educational costs. Applying for student funding with Mpower can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Remember to research, gather all the necessary information, complete the online application accurately, and communicate effectively with Mpower's team. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the application process. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Mpower's customer support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your student funding application with Mpower.